Kiama kia nurses kiyuritwo ni matukuya kirekereirie uhoro ati kamiti ya SRC ni haririirie riboti iratanya kuguithia ngathi cia nurses. Kuringana na riboti maraugera tumirwo ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, nurses marutitwo gikiro kia B5 kiria ni ngathi ya G kinyagia gikiro kia B1 kiria ni ngathi ya A. Takuga thini wa ngathi ino ya A, nurse aririhagwo mucara wa thi wa 11,840 na uria warihwo mucara wa iguru akarihwo 12,510. No thini wa ngathi ya G iria marauga marutitwo, nasi uria urihagwo mbeca iria nini muno arihagwo ciringi 19,770 na kio uria urarihwo iguru muno akarihwo ciringi 24,350.
Job group A is the lowest job group in public service in Kenya. How do you grade a person who has gone to primary school, high school, to college 2.5 years, 3 years, dealing with human life? Na unamgrade kwamba yeye ni support staff. Na unasema it is final. It is not final. We are moving to court.
We constitute 80% of the health workforce. If we are unskilled, then I think this is the biggest mistake the government ever did. To have unskilled 80% of unskilled health worker managing the health facilities.
Riboti ino angikorwo ni ya gwitikio inyururitie riendekithia riria nurses mekirite ngirimiti-ini ya mweri Dithemba mwaka muhituku haria mendaga kwambatirio kinyagia grade ya KE. Haha nasi uria urarihwo mbeca iria nini muno angiarihwo ciringi 34,260 na uria warihwo iguru muno akarihwo ciringi 44,750.
We are telling the nurses to arm themselves for a bigger battle, because if we leave it at this, that is the end of the profession. So the battle has just begun. Kenyans embrace for bigger and worse times.
Our training curriculum was well spelled to conform with what is required for professionals and skilled workers. So it is an abuse, an insult that we are not going to take.
Kwaga gwikirwo kirore kwa ngirimiti ino ni thirikari nene na cia counties nikuo gucungiriirie mugomo uria uingirite thiku ya 95. No kamiti ya SRC ni ireganite na uhoro ucio ikiuga mutaratara wa guthurima uruti wira wa nurses nduri urakinyanira na ati riboti iyo ti ya mwisho. Ningi maugite ona koroni ya mwisho ndikuhutia nurses othe kiheri no andu kiumbe. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Monica Kagoni.